Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Are you okay?
I'm totally fine.
Do you hear that?
Yes, I heard.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Can I get the bill?
Yes, take this.
Where's my key?
It's on the table.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you call back later?
I will call if I have time.
Can't you hear the sound?
No, did not hear.
Do you have work now?
Yes, I have.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Did you watch the movie?
No, I missed it.
Have you met my friend?
Yes, I met them yesterday.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's sunny.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I completed it.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I have no plans.
Have you been to that restaurant?
Yes, I've been there once.
Did you enjoy the party?
Yes, it was great.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to France.
Are you a student?
No, I'm working.
Did you see my keys?
Yes, they are on the shelf.
Are you going to the gym?
Yes, I go regularly.
Do you like to cook?
No, I prefer eating out.
Is your phone charged?
Yes, it's fully charged.
Did you read the book?
No, I haven't started yet.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm recovering.
Did you buy groceries?
Yes, I did the shopping.
Are you coming to the party?
No, I have other plans.
Did you see the news?
Yes, I'm aware of it.
Can you lend me some money?
Sorry, I can't right now.
Did you sleep well?
No, I had a restless night.
Are you going on vacation?
Yes, next month.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, I have not.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
Did you fix the computer?
Yes, it's working now.
Are you wearing a jacket?
No, it's too warm.
Did you receive my email?
Yes, I got it.
Are you from this city?
No, I'm from another town.
Did you forget your umbrella?
Yes, it's raining now.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not allergic.
Did you see the sunset?
Yes, it was beautiful.
Are you good at playing guitar?
No, I'm still learning.
Did you take the bus?
Yes, I prefer public transport.
Are you a morning person?
No, I'm more of a night owl.
Did you check the weather forecast?
Yes, it's going to rain.
Are you attending the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, it's locked.
Are you a fan of sports?
No, I'm not into sports.
Did you visit the museum?
Yes, it was fascinating.
Are you on a diet?
No, I eat everything.
Did you bring your camera?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Are you afraid of heights?
Yes, I get scared.
Did you check your voicemail?
No, I forgot to.
Are you a pet person?
Yes, I have a dog.
Did you apologize to your friend?
Yes, I said sorry.
Are you a good swimmer?
No, I'm not confident.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, they're well watered.
Are you attending the concert?
No, I have other plans.
Did you finish the project?
Yes, it's completed.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I eat meat.
Did you watch the sunrise?
Yes, it was breathtaking.
Are you good at solving puzzles?
No, I find them challenging.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, it's tidy now.
Are you going to the wedding?
Yes, I'm invited.
Did you remember to buy milk?
No, I forgot.
Are you good with technology?
Yes, I'm tech savvy.
Did you cancel your appointment?
No, I rescheduled it.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early.
Did you try the new restaurant?
Yes, the food was delicious.
Are you attending the conference?
No, I have a conflicting event.
Did you return the borrowed book?
Yes, I gave it back.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I love visiting galleries.
Did you download the app?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Are you good at public speaking?
No, I find it challenging.
Did you fix the leaky faucet?
Yes, it's repaired.
Are you going to the beach?
Yes, I love the sea.
Did you turn off the lights?
Yes, I switched them off.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea.
Did you find your lost keys?
No, they're still missing.
Are you participating in the marathon?
No, I'm not a runner.
Are you watching your favorite show?
No, I have not started yet.
Did you get a haircut?
Yes, it's shorter now.
Are you good at keeping secrets?
Yes, I can be trusted.
Did you turn on the heater?
Yes, it's getting cold.
Are you a morning or evening exerciser?
I prefer exercising in the evening.
Did you order takeout for dinner?
Yes, it's on its way.
Are you attending the birthday party?
Yes, I have a gift.
Did you park the car in the garage?
Yes, it's safely parked.
Are you good at remembering names?
No, I often forget.
Did you charge your phone overnight?
Yes, it's fully charged.
Are you going to the farmer's market?
Yes, I like fresh produce.
Did you check your bank balance?
Yes, everything is in order.
Are you a fan of spicy food?
No, I prefer mild flavors.
Did you plan your weekend getaway?
Yes, it's all set.
Are you attending the family reunion?
No, I have prior.
Did you lock your computer?
Yes, it's secure now.